Hello friends, welcome back. This is Emmanuel Mendu. In this video we will see a basic introduction on JavaScript. So first of all, I have added a couple of points to go through in this video. Initially, what is JavaScript? So basically, we have, if you are working with a website already, um, you'll be working with a client side, client or server sides. So client side is nothing but if any web browser is open and you are designing a web application, and if you are writing any click events or anything like any prompts, example, uh, you usually you call a web service or some database to retrieve some data, or if you want to show a prompt or alert to the user, you will hit to the server and add some extra logic to on the server to show some message to the user. So that way, you are hitting the server, right? So it if the message is static, or if it is not required to hit the server or hit the database or any tracking, it's not needed, you can use JavaScript here. So on the JavaScript, it's very lightweight to use, and it is also very useful for interaction with the user. So this is the uh, best point to start with. If you want to play with the play any actions on the client side, you can use nowadays in the modern JavaScript world. Even JavaScript is hitting servers to get the data, lot of data, and you can use that way. Or if you want small things like showing any prompts to the user or any actions to the user, we can use JavaScript. So what can JavaScript does? It is mainly, you can add in in a basic HTML the JavaScript. I will show a couple of lot of videos on how to add and how to interact with the modern JavaScript as well, and the basic JavaScript. So I'll go one by one. So here you can I'll give a couple of examples what JavaScript can do. Like if you any click events, as I told you before, if you want to track any click event, or if you want to show something on key press and key up, etc. Those all things you can get on the JavaScript code, and you can show some message, or you can do any action um, on the on the web portal on the client side only, not hitting the server. So there are a lot of doable with the JavaScript. We will go through one by one on our next uh, next videos. Like you can change the styles of any control, on the HTML control, or any controls on your web portal. So if you come to the cannot what cannot do in JavaScript, like if you if you more nowadays, like everybody know, like if you there is a security issues going on, so JavaScript cannot access uh, cannot access your uh, local files. Like if some file is on your computer, and if some JavaScript is trying JavaScript if JavaScript want to try get the file, the user we cannot access them. So if something, for example, if one browser need to need to do some action in another browser, it it will ask you a prompt. So user should click OK, or he need to approve or agree to read one tab data in another tab, and one browser data to another browser, like that. So these are the things like do's and cannot in JavaScript. And also the code editors, like now in my tutorials I will use Visual Studio. There are a lot of other tools. You can just, if you want, if you are working, if you are just playing with the JavaScript, you can use Notepad and save it as a HTML file. So, and you can run and you can execute it, and you can see even developer console, like you can, I will show you in our in my you can debug debug in developer console, like you can use Chrome, Mozilla, or IE. So every web browser has developer console, so you can just go and debug your JavaScript. I'll show you how to debug in do debug JavaScript in upcoming videos. In this video, I will show you a small application page with how JavaScript will be. So um, you can know some basic stuff, so that so let's add one ASPX page. JavaScript intro. Okay, so here in this page I will just say some title, JS introduction. So here what I will give, I will just say script, and in this script I'll say alert, chatpad go. Okay, so when I run this one, it will, what it will do, it will show a small prompt to the user saying this message, chatpad go. Okay, let me run and see how it looks now. So whenever it loads the page, it will read the script and it will alert the user saying the whatever the message we wrote in the. So this is the JavaScript introduction video. So initially I told like how what is JavaScript, and how what can we do and what cannot we do, and this is a small introduction. So this is the alert, and the user cannot do anything until he click OK. So just before loading our page, I'm giving a alert saying okay, chatbot go some message. So this is how we need to add a script. You can create another external source JavaScript file and link it to the your web pages. I will show you in my further videos how to link it on to the how to create a external page, and how to link it up, and how to work on the variables, how to lot of things, and even modern JavaScript, how to connect to the server with the JavaScript, and how to bind JSON, etc., etc. So watch what keep watching my videos, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.